Hello data points. Mm, Today we are improving our package that is called show file tree. Just next day I launched this package and I think to create an issue template and the pull request template for our package so that you can improve our package. So I don't know much about how to do that. So I am practiced. Here is some error as suffer. I created the two branch. For the branching strategy, I follow this simple. First, we created a if you want to create something, then WIP work in progress. Then we create the template. After the creating the template, then we merge with the master base. Then we go forward. Again, we create something. Then go and improve it, and then merge it. Then publish at GitHub. Yeah. So what the problem we suffer? First of all, we go to the template branch, uh, then GitHub issue template. If you are seeing there is some critical issues, there is the type of hashes we are suffer. Uh, Here is the link to learn about to resolve the error. I understand something and then improve just like this ID is needed, and then after we are improving our branch, our template, then we are got info. This file is used for issue template. Let's check out for this branch. New issue, oh, this issue is not present on the main branch, so it is not showing here. Okay, so then why it is main branch already present the GitHub? Just I'm saying I practice the GitHub, so I uploaded directly. I think the file is working perfectly. Then when I click upon this, then it show the critical errors, and this is also why not working. I don't know. We need to fix it. So work in progress. Let's check out. So okay, create a pull request. What this happen? I need to do more thing to understand this. I am new to this. Then I downloaded this what called, it recommend me, so I downloaded this git lens, and it suggests something this type of graphs. What this suggests, that also I need to find out. And this work file is improved, but the pull request file need the more improvement. I think one by one improve is better. Okay, this is for now. Let's see when this file is done, means when this issues and pull request is working perfectly, then we are go to our main package and added it here. Okay, so yeah, this is from this is for today. Let's see what happened. Jai Hind. Hello data points. Okay, let's start what we did and where we reach. When I click upon the issues template, then we found GitHub that is before the YML file, and now we are updated to I think this is main root. Okay, click upon this. Okay, root is now 2 committed ahead from the main. Okay, now it is markdown file. Why? Because when I check out the pages, then here is mention to wherever, where is that? Okay, I saw we need the MD file, not the YML file, so we erase all this and created this file. Now the YML file, it look like this. Oh, pull request template MD file, not YML file. While YML file not supported to the issues to the pull request template, and when I asked to the GPT, then he suggests the pull request for the small project follow only one template, and for the issue template we are solve this and solve this. It look like preview. uh, See, it look like awesome. Okay, it's also the examples. Yes, and for the document, on the documentation YML file and the rest of files we need to update. We need to update, add something here, double quotation, so it's work. And okay, and look at this. When we are clicking upon this open changes button, it show very clearly what we change. Here we added the label with the quotation 6 minutes ago, what we added, when we added, all of this. Okay, uh, so I documented all the learnings. So yeah, okay, join. When I uploaded all of this and merge, then see 140. Okay, I think I need to understand what is this. Okay, look at this. I think this is already understood that WIP means work in progress. Cool. Uh, and something also I don't understand what is this. Sub hello means, this sub hello means here. This is the sub hello. Okay. When I updated all the templates, then we visited again. Hello data points. Now the issues template is clearly working with bug report, documentation issue, features request, and the question answer, question and help. Yeah, it's so clearly. Then this I don't until now I don't know how to use this template, because when I'm clicking it, so other things I need to research upon this. Then all of this template is working. This template also documentations, questions. Okay, then 40. Okay, this template. Okay, then I asked what is the normal merge and what is the squash merge. They I understood. I thought that all of this commit was merge and so only one merge, but this not happen. So I asked to GPT what is this, then he suggests some when to use, when not to use. Yeah, now it's work. So now it what to put into our main project. without any branches, just one comment. Okay, Jai Hind.